First, I wrote a script about buying an iPhone. Then I was going to write a script about the iPhone 16e. And now, I don't know. See, if I analyze things, this phone, except for the camera, is perfectly capable of doing what I needed to do. It sends and receives messages, it plays music, although the jack has gotten loose, it lasts through the day, and it's not laggy or frustrating to use. The things that annoy me the most is that it is a Xiaomi, and Xiaomi likes to send you ads and or install or reinstall apps whenever it pleases, and then that I bought it with little internal storage, and in the days where taking a shit at a gas station requires an app, it gets to its limits. Now, I could get a custom ROM and mod it, but I risk it not being reliable or making eventual things more complicated. But I'd rather do a couple minutes of research than sitting like an opinionated grandpa. And a couple first results later, my conclusion is, for what and how I use my phone, it's simply not worth the risks. I consider myself tech savvy, yet messing around with bootloaders and software I'm not familiar with and that could potentially brick my phone, it's a turn down, especially since I cannot replace it straight away. And I know it's just reading some instructions and research some of the terminology, but another thing is that if I do everything well, some stuff may not work, and some stuff I might not get to work, like banking apps, which often come in handy, and some are actually like necessary. You may have noticed that I use my phone like a 40-year-old, and I wanted it to function like if I was 40 years old. Thing just has to work, because even if I wanted to escape, I am unable to can. So in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing I know for sure is that I'll have to start saving up, because something will eventually make me have to buy a new phone. Programmed obsolescence through software updates is something that I already have, so it's a matter of time before something else creeps up and catches me.